All right, let's take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
Currently I'm working as a HR assistant in the office.
Okay, all right, let's start with speaking. What kind of things do you have to bring when you go outside?
Uh, in my view, we should have our wallet
You should
and
talk about yourself.
yeah.
So, in my view, no, don't say view. What
Okay.
kind of things do you have to bring when you go outside? First of all, I take my wallet whenever I go anywhere because I've got all my ATM cards, my currency notes, and all that. Secondly, I take my mobile with me. So, just talk about mobile. And finally, my handbag where I keep all these things. So, these three things I must take whenever I go anywhere, right? Now I ask you again, what kinds of things do you have to bring when you go outside?
When I'm going outside, I usually carry my bag with my mobile phone, and in my
Okay, just a
bag
couple of
it's
sentences,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah in my bag. My wallet is already in my bag, and I bring my ID card and
Okay,
with money.
good. Did you ever forget to bring anything?
Yes, that's quite true. I usually forget things, and m- once a day, I was
Once?
once I was going through bus to the market, and I forgot my
I
wallet.
forgot.
I forgot my wallet at home, and
Okay,
then I called my friend to bring my wallet
all
for
right,
me, and
all right.
she wasn't available
That's
then.
it. That's it. In
Yeah.
part one, there is no room for story. So
Okay.
you say to answer your question, yes, once I forgot my wallet at home, but thank God then my friend had brought it to me. Okay, just short. Don't go on with the long story. In 5, 6 sentences, you have to complete your answer. Let's go on. How do you remind yourself?
I remind myself by notes
Okay,
sometime, and I keep notes in my phone,
good.
and I usually apply reminders on my phone.
Okay, so sometimes I use timers, or you
Timers,
can say other, what do we call that? You get a reminder on mobile.
reminders.
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Do you carry different things in the morning and in the evening?
It depends. When I am going in the morning, if for office, I carry my bag with my wallet and phone, and if I am going in the evening for a shopping or for a dinner, so I carry my bag with my phone, or for if I am going for jogging, so I carry my
All
headphones.
right. Do you think old people forget things easily?
Yes, because of age, they forget things easily,
Yeah, you
and
can add a little more. Yes, because
yeah.
of age, they forget things easily. On the other hand, sometimes old people do not give importance to so many things. So for them, it is very easy to forget things. Just 4, 5 sentences, okay? That's fine. Just try to be a little more energetic and fluent, and you should be in practice with all these type of things. Like in actual exam, they might ask you about forgetting things or any other topic. So
Yeah.
at least you should be familiar, and answers should be readily available.
Okay.
Right? Thank
Right.
you.
Thank you.